Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove a word from cells in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're cleaning up data or removing repeated terms that clutter your spreadsheet. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in to your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your workspace, as this will grant you access to all your saved spreadsheets and documents. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard. This is where all your files and folders are organized. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to remove words from cells. This will open up the file and take you directly into the editing view where you can start working on your data. Now comes the important part. Click on any empty cell where you want the cleaned up result to appear. In that cell, type equals substitute followed by an opening parenthesis. This function is specifically designed to find and replace text within your cells, making it perfect for our task. The substitute function is powerful because it allows you to target specific words without affecting the rest of your data. After typing the opening parenthesis, click on the cell that contains the data you want to modify. This tells Google Sheets which cell to look at for the text you want to clean up. Once you've selected that cell, add a comma to separate the arguments within the function. Next, add a double quotation mark and type the exact word you want to remove. For example, if you want to remove the word example, you would type it exactly as it appears in your cells, then close it with another double quotation mark. This tells the function what specific text to search for within the selected cell. After that, add another comma. Now type an opening double quotation mark immediately followed by a closing double quotation mark with nothing in between. This part is crucial because it tells Google Sheets to replace the word with nothing, essentially deleting it from the cell. Finally, close the entire function with a closing parenthesis. Once you've completed the formula, hit the Enter key to execute it. You should immediately see the result appear in the cell, showing your original text with the specified word removed. If you need to apply this to multiple cells, you can simply drag the fill handle down or across to copy the formula to other cells in your sheet. And that's it. You've successfully removed a word from cells in Google Sheets using the substitute function. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.